everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Google Slides. Adding audio can make your presentation more interactive and engaging. So first, open your presentation in Google Slides. Then, select the slide where you want to add the audio. Next, click Insert at the top menu. Then, click Audio. A window will appear showing audio files from your Google Drive. Choose the audio file you want to use. Then click Insert. As you can see, the audio instantly appears on your slide. You can click and drag the icon to move it anywhere you want. To customize the audio settings, click the audio icon, then open Format Options. From there, you can set the audio to play automatically, adjust the volume, or hide the icon during presentation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.